Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to see how we can validate or verify whether our laptop battery is up to the mark or it is a time to replace your battery, right? So once we buy the new laptop, or even if you are buying the second hand laptop, right, you have to check this battery performance before you're buying the laptop. So then you will comes to know whether the battery capacity is able to store the 100% of the given capacity charge, or it is degraded. So the over the period of time when you are charging your battery multiple times, the obviously the life of the battery will reduce. So example, if when you are purchasing a new laptop, at the time you might be using 100% of charger 3.5 hours, but after the period of time you could see the performance with respect to the battery, after you fully charge your laptop, but still it will come only for 2.5 hours or 2 hours. So by that time, how you can validate whether it is a problem with the battery or with the system? So the system we can check multiple things, but in this video we are going to see how we can verify whether the problem is due to the battery or not. So there's a simple comment we can do it. There is no application we know need to install on this laptop. So we have to just open our command prompt. So we have a laptop which is Windows 11 version. I'm just showing the version also for you. You can see it is a Windows 10 version 22H2, right? So this is a version. Now I'm going to see the performance, the battery performance of this laptop. So we have to go to CMD. Okay, go to the Windows search, open command prompt with administrator privilege. Then here you have to type power cfg slash battery report, right? Once I give the enter, see it is fraction of minute it has given the battery report. So if we go to this particular system folder, then we can able to see this HTML file. So let me go to this. Let me go to the file explorer, then system 32. Then if after system 32 we will be seeing under system 32 battery report file, right? If I press B, okay, here it is, battery report. So it is a HTML file, so it will automatically open in your browser itself, so you don't need to have any PDF kind of thing. Just it will open in our browser itself. Just double tap it. So see here, I can see the battery report of this laptop. So this is a computer name, this is a product of the particular laptop, what is the BIOS version, old OS build version, right? Everything it is showing. So when it comes to the batteries, you can see here this Lenovo laptop having two battery. One is inbuilt battery, another one is a detachable battery. So you can see this is the manufacturer of this battery, and this is the code. The each and every battery will come with one product code. So by using this you can purchase the replacement battery. You can note this down and you can check in the Amazon, then you will get the compatible battery for your laptop. So you can see here, this is a very important section. See, the design capacity of the battery one is 23,200. So this is a original capacity, but the actual full charge capacity is 15,870. So if I checked the same kind of report before 4.5 years, or when I purchased the laptop, it would have around 23,000. But because of, as I said, the battery performance will degrade over the period of time whenever we are charging the battery. So now the performance is the actual battery capacity is reduced to 60% or 60 plus percentage, right? So we actually, this battery is capable to store only 60% of the original capacity. So the same with the battery 2 also, you can see the battery 2 original capacity is 23,000 watts, right, milliwatts, but here it is showing 11,000, which is half of that. So the 50% only it is storing. So earlier if it is able to store 28,000 but 23,000, but now it is able to store only 11,000. So because of this full charge capacity, the performance, the time, the standby the laptop will reduce because of these things. If you are seeing this kind of difference, 23,000 and 15,000, it's almost half of that. This is also almost half of the values. So if you are seeing this much of difference, then you have to really think about changing your battery. If you change your battery, then you can able to see the original performance or original battery standby of your laptop. And you can see other information, like what is the charge dissipation time and all, what was the percentage, how it is getting dissipated. So everything it is showing here, you can see. So we have to just focus only on this first section, which will give enough information. This 2 point is sufficient enough. You can validate and decide whether you wanted to go for the new battery or not, or you have to look into your system OS tuning. Thank you for watching this video. If you think it is useful, please share this with your friends.